Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Today in this video, we will see a video related to GSEB solution for Class 7 Mathematics, Chapter 1 Integer, Exercise 1.4, Question 5 to Question 7. So let's see questions. The question 5 is the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time will the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What will be the temperature at midnight? So temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. The decrease in temperature from 10 degree to 8 degree Celsius. So 10 degree minus 8 degrees Celsius. So 10 degree plus 8 degrees Celsius. So it will 18 degrees Celsius. For 2 degrees Celsius fall in temperature, it takes 1 hour. Therefore, for 18 degrees Celsius fall in temperature, it takes 12 upon 2 equals to 9 hours. The time 9 hours after 12 noon will be 9 pm. Therefore, the temperature minus 8 degrees Celsius, that is 8 degrees Celsius below 0, will be attained at 9 pm. In 1 hour, the temperature fall is minus 2. Therefore, in 12 hours, 12 noon to 12 midnight, the temperature fall will be 2 degrees Celsius into 12, that is 24 degrees Celsius. So after 12 noon, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Therefore, at the midnight, the temperature will be 10 degrees Celsius minus 24, that is minus 14 degrees Celsius. Sixth question. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answer, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So plus 3 marks are given for the correct answer and minus 2 marks for incorrect answer and 0 marks for not attempting a question. So Radhika got 12 correct answers. Therefore, the marks obtained by Radhika for correct answers are 12 into 3, that is 36. Since Radhika scored 20 marks and the marks obtained for incorrect answer is 20 minus 36 is minus 16. Therefore, the number of incorrect answers minus 16 upon minus 12, that is 8. So Radhika attempted 8 questions incorrectly. Next, in a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. Mohini scores minus 5 marks in his test, though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So we know plus 3 marks for correct answer and minus 2 marks for incorrect answer and 0 for not attempting a question. Mohini got 7 correct answers. Therefore, the marks obtained by Mohini for correct answers are 7 into 3, that is 21. Mohini secured minus 5 marks. The marks obtained for incorrect answers. So, minus 5 minus 21, that is minus 26. Therefore, the number of incorrect answers is minus 26 upon minus 2, that is 13. So, Mohini attempted 13 questions incorrectly. Next, 7th question. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? So the elevator is at the level of plus 10 meter. Therefore, to reach the level of minus 350 meter, the elevator has to descend 10 meter minus 350 meter. So minus will become plus. So 10 meter plus 350 meter, that is 360 meter. So elevator descends 6 meter in 1 minute. So it will be descend 360 meter in 360 upon 6, that is 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. So elevator will take 1 hour, that is 60 minutes to reach minus 350 meter. So this was all about the video. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us